Asa dohono mason na tua-tua ador haluka main na tuguting lobo ador hatiti tuguting ormo nang saur matua ma anggi kurison payuti upahupu satu namar nini satu namar nono asa emes da batua main na parlinggo man si borok debatama namar tua saluhu nama hitari parol sa solu satu botian satu tiga nunga satu laut tadi bahasa sama tu banggabian sama tu para horason so ni mahata sa kameno sauta mau lihat pinasa matumu
mau lihat di pasar ma di jalur begitu saya ada masa kita
Nauli, Shalom, Horas Marita. Jadi selamat ma tua muate. Udah, inang udah, dot sudah keluarga. Ngalam bertambah pinoparmu. Lam bertambah ma pasu-pasu. Sukacita di keluargamu nate. Omma hami, pergelengamu, dongat tubum. Pajahitan sekota batang bereng maun. Mergajang tubudian. Jadi nadot doa mi marlas ni roha. Tang yang ngami pe tuamu asa semakin sehat dan bahagia. Tuh hula-hulai, jadi bingung aku. Dan pulang, itu kadaho doau, seperti tanon, jadi selama dia mati pulang, tambah sukacita. Untuk pengantin, untuk nama ada Batak, ada India. Coba pe, praise the Lord. Thank you for the Jesus Christ. Okay, Madun, my English not good, but I hope you can understood what I say. Congratulations to both of you. Best wishes for you. All of us present here feel happy. And all of us standing here in front of you are your father, mother, brother, and sister. Maybe even your grandparents. In our language, it's called opung. Opung doli to grandpa, opung boru to grandma.
yes
We hope that you proud of the title of the Panjaitan clan that you have. Because it's illegal. It's legal clan. Panjaitan. You must happy. Okay? And we hope that you will learn about Batak culture in the future. So you know how special Batak culture. So that in the future, good relation between Batak culture and India culture can be established in your family. Don't you agree? Okay. Finally, I say once again, congratulations on your new life and God bless. As the leader Panjaitan clan in Batam City, I give my prayer and hope to both of you in our language, Batak language. Okay? Wait a minute. Contek dulu. Later you can ask the meaning of your wife or your father. Okay? Because it can translate to English. Napuran ni persaburan, tu gambir si tapongan. Takas mahamusai sauduran, jala totong masih haholongan.
matutu
Nga bingung be udaon mentranslaton. Asa apang siopat suhi, solup siopat bali. Seorang madihamu anak si partahi, dohot boru siolo gabi.
matutu
Saat-saat ni soluma saat turondang di bulan. Saat maita leleng bangulu, satu banggabean, satu parorsan, jala totong di ramoti Tuhan.
matutu